Living with nerve damage can be an unpleasant and painful journey, impacting your quality of life and causing symptoms such as numbness, tingling, muscle weakness, burning sensation, pain, and even paralysis. Chronic pain may also result from damaged nerves unable to transmit signals properly throughout the body. Nerve damage occurs when communication between the brain and other parts of the body is disrupted due to injuries or illnesses, such as diabetes and autoimmune diseases. However, certain vitamins have been found to be beneficial in the treatment of nerve damage. We will delve into the most vital vitamins, discussing their function and how they can contribute to the repair of damaged nerves. Starting from number 6. Curcumin. Curcumin is a component of the spice turmeric, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect against nerve damage and other damage caused by free radicals. Studies have shown that curcumin can positively impact neurotransmitter levels and stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, crucial for the growth of neurons. Curcumin also boosts the immune system by exhibiting immunomodulatory effects, supporting the activity of immune cells and possessing antimicrobial properties. Collagen is a crucial protein for skin elasticity and wound healing. Curcumin has been suggested to stimulate collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining skin health and supporting the repair of damaged tissues. Curcumin has also been shown to have vasodilatory effects, meaning it can help widen blood vessels, potentially improving blood circulation. Studies on animals have shown that curcumin can help reduce the number of cases of peripheral nerve disorder, a type of disorder that can cause tingling or weakness in the arms and legs. Studies on humans also suggest that taking high doses of curcumin over a long period of time might help with diabetic neuropathy. A study in neurochemical research discovered that using curcumin helped protect neurons from dying due to oxidative stress. It can also reduce or even reverse some types of nerve damage caused by diseases like Alzheimer's. In addition to turmeric, other foods that are high in curcumin include ginger, cumin, mustard seeds, black pepper, and chili peppers. Number 5. Magnesium sulfate. This mineral protects nerves from damage caused by reactive oxygen species. Magnesium sulfate can also help calm you down and relax your nerves, which could be helpful for people with anxiety or sleep problems. Low levels of magnesium can lead to muscle cramps and spasms, and addressing deficiencies through supplements or dietary changes can alleviate these issues. Magnesium sulfate is an important part of neural transmission because it improves blood flow throughout the nervous system. This facilitates the enhanced transmission of electrical signals along neural pathways, allowing for quick travel. Magnesium sulfate works as an anti-inflammatory agent, which could reduce swelling in places where nerves have been hurt or damaged by direct trauma or overwork. By inhibiting the entry of calcium into cells, magnesium helps to relax smooth muscle cells in blood vessel walls, leading to vasodilation and a reduction in blood pressure. Foods that are rich in magnesium sulfate include wheat bran, oatmeal, pumpkin seeds, brown rice, brazil nuts, peanuts, and sunflower seeds. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of magnesium. Legumes such as lentils and black beans also contain high levels of magnesium sulfate. Number 4. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid is a compound naturally produced in small amounts within the body, functioning as a powerful antioxidant. Alpha-lipoic acid possesses the unique ability to dissolve in both water and fat, allowing it to function in various cellular compartments and effectively neutralize free radicals. Multiple research found that taking alpha-lipoic acid supplements could potentially repair existing damaged nerves. This compound works by assisting your body in producing energy more efficiently at the cellular level. Alpha-lipoic acid aids in the conversion of glucose into ATP molecules, which are then used as the primary source of energy production in your body. When combined with other lifestyle changes such as exercise or dietary changes, this compound can help improve cell functioning in various ways, including improved circulation, normalized hormone levels, lowered blood pressure, and improved cholesterol levels. Taking alpha-lipoic acid supplements increases glutathione, an important detoxifying agent produced by our bodies, which supports healthy cardiovascular systems and leads to improved well-being over time. Studies suggest that alpha-lipoic acid helps limit nitric oxide production while increasing nitric oxide synthase activity. This helps improve vascular reactivity and lowers the risk factors associated with high blood pressure and stroke. This compound also has an effect on neurological functions due to its antioxidant properties against harmful toxins known as reactive oxygen species. This causes inflammatory responses that are linked to mental diseases such as depression, anxiety, and Alzheimer's disease. Research indicates that alpha-lipoic acid protects against radical oxidation-related damage, reducing the severity and delaying the onset of degenerative diseases in various organs. Additional studies suggest that alpha-lipoic acid supplementation lowers systemic inflammation after trauma, allowing nerves to regenerate without scars, restoring synaptic communication channels that drive motor skill development in major accident survivors. Furthermore, clinical trials show that regular supplementation maintains healthy insulin sensitivity, improving metabolic control, and alleviating chronic pain in diabetics, such as burning feet syndrome, which causes numbness around the extremities after long periods of hyperglycemia exposure. Alpha-lipoic acid can be found in ample quantities in spinach, broccoli, walnuts, wheat germ, avocado, peas, and organ meats from grass-fed animals like liver. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are crucial for many bodily functions like mind, heart, and reducing inflammation. Since our bodies can't produce these fatty acids, obtaining them through diet or supplements is essential. According to the Neurology Journal, supplementation with these fatty acids improves nerve conduction velocity and reduces inflammation in chronic inflammatory-related nerve damage. Omega-3s also provide essential building blocks for cell membranes, allowing damaged nerves to heal more quickly. Myelin is a protective coating that insulates nerves and helps facilitate their proper functioning. Multiple studies found that taking omega-3 supplement can help myelin heal faster after an injury. This research could have implications for understanding and treating illnesses such as autoimmune disease, diabetic neuropathy, and traumatic injuries to the central nervous system. In another study investigating omega-3 impact on traumatic brain injury patients, the findings indicate that a daily intake of 1 gram of omega-3 over 10 weeks enhanced neurological function significantly. These fatty acids also promote the production of compounds that help maintain joint health, such as lubricating fluids, which can overcome friction between joints and alleviate discomfort. Foods that are rich in omega-3s include salmon, mackerel, sardines, walnuts, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and flax seeds. Number 2. Vitamin B1. This vitamin is essential for converting carbs into energy. It helps in the functioning of enzymes involved in energy metabolism. Vitamin B1 helps protect cells from the damaging effects of high blood sugar levels and inflammation. It has been used as a supplement to treat diabetes-related nerve pain, inflammation in diabetic kidney disease, and eye problems related to diabetes. A study published in the Neuroscience Journal found that daily administration of vitamin B1 for 12 weeks helped reduce neuropathic pain and improve nerve conduction velocity in patients with diabetic polyneuropathy. Vitamin B1 helps protect cells from advanced glycation end products, which are created when sugar binds with proteins and lipids and accumulates in tissues. Vitamin B1 also helps increase blood supply in small vessels throughout our bodies, including capillaries that supply vital organs with oxygenated blood. Better blood flow sends important nutrients to injured spots, helping cells feel better by getting rid of waste efficiently. Foods rich in vitamin B1 include lean pork, beef and chicken, and dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. Number 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to anemia and fatigue. This vitamin is also essential for nerve cell metabolism. It aids in the production of myelin, which serves as insulation around nerves. Nerve cells are vital for our bodies to function. They allow us to move, feel sensations, think, and remember. Without enough vitamin B12 in our bodies, cells struggle to function properly, resulting in issues such as memory loss or difficulty with motor control or movement. Research indicates that adequate amounts of vitamin B12 could potentially alleviate symptoms linked to conditions like nerve damage caused by diabetes, vascular diseases, or exposure to toxins. If you have any kind of neurological condition, boosting your intake of vitamin B12 is a fantastic way to enhance your condition. Meats like pork, beef, lamb, and turkey are packed with vitamin B12. Fish such as salmon and trout are good sources of vitamin B12. Shellfish such as clams, oysters, mussels, and crab contain high amounts of B12. Plant-based milk, like soy milk or almond milk, are fortified with vitamin B12 for those following a vegan diet.